Hello everyone, we are here to know how to find a derivative. So our equation is 4x squared minus 5x plus 10, which is used by the formula f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f times the quantity of x plus h minus fx over h. We are about to solve 4x squared minus 5x plus 10. So we use the formula f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f times x plus h minus fx over h. So we need to distribute each term. So this must be our fx. So limit h approaches to 0, 4. So this is the value. So 4 times x plus h squared. Copy the squared sign. Now after minus 5, so this would be the value of this term. So 5 times x plus h, so this would be look like this, plus 10, minus the fx, which is this, minus the quantity of 4x squared minus 5x plus 10 over h. Then after this, we need to distribute first the exponent to each other after the constant. So this will be look like this, limit of h approaches to 0, 4x squared plus 8xh plus 4x squared for these variables, then minus 5x minus 5h, these variables, yeah, plus 10. This would be negative 4x squared, positive 5x, negative 10 over h. So after all the method earlier, so we need to cancel the like terms. So 4x squared and negative 4x squared, so cancel it out. 8xh doesn't have any same term, so we must do forward. So 4x squared by 4h squared, nothing. Negative 5x, oh, it has the same term, so positive 5x, so we must to cancel it. Negative 5h, none. Plus 10, so 10, it has the same term, so we must to cancel it out. So it will become limit of h approaches to 0, 8xh plus 4h squared minus 5h, the three term that are not cancelled out, over h. For us to solve it clearly, we need to cancel the denominator. So we need to divide both sides by h to cancel the denominator and cancel the h of each term. So cancel the h of h 8xh and the h of 4h squared minus 5h. We need to cancel out the h of this term. After the long solution, after the cancellation of h of each term, so the value of those terms earlier will become 8, a limit of h approaches to 0, 8x plus 4h minus 5 without denominator. So after this, we need to use this limit h approaches to 0 to make or to swap this h into 0 or to change it. So 8x plus 4 times 0 minus 5. So cancel this. So the answer will be f prime of x is equal to 8x minus 5. So we are here to know how to find a integral, or which is used as a sign of this. So our equation is antiderivative or integral of x minus 2 raised to 2 or squared times dx. So before we find the integral, we need to simplify or to expand this equation. Expand rather. So we need to multiply this term to find it for us to easy to solve this equation. So x times x, x squared. X minus 2, negative 2x. Negative 2 times x, negative 2, which is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 2 would be positive 4. So this is the value of this equation. The equation will be look like this. So integral of the quantity of x squared minus 4x plus 4 times dx. So before we calculated or find the integral of this equation, we need to distribute dx in each term. Dx on x squared, negative x, and positive 4. So we use the equation integral 3, which is integral times du plus or minus dv. So this would be look like this. They are cut into 3. So integral of x squared dx minus integral of 4x dx plus integral of 4 dx. So in this method, we need to connect this equation into the other integral method, which is the integral 4. So integral 4, which is integral u and du, which is x raised to n plus 1 over the exponent, which is n plus 1 plus c, or the constant. So as we go in this equation, x squared dx, so x squared plus 1 must be added by 1 because dx equivalent to x plus c, which is x equivalent to 1. So x squared plus 1 over 2, which is the exponent of x plus 1, minus 4 the quantity of times the quantity of x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, which is x exponent is 1 and added by 1, plus 4x plus c. We use the integral 1, which is dx is equivalent to x plus c. So this would be look like this. Integral. So our equation again is integral of the quantity of x minus 2 raised to 2 or squared dx. So in this equation, x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1, the answer in this equation will be x cubed over 3, which is x squared plus 1 will be x cubed over 2 plus 1 will be 3, minus 4 times, so x plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So x would become x squared over 2 plus 4x plus c, copy only. So integral. So we need to cancel the denominator because 4 and 2 are divisible. So 4 cancel to cancel. So would be our final answer would be x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared plus 4x plus c. Thank you for watching.